Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to completely reset your Microsoft Edge web browser settings back to default. So if you want to reset your home page, search engine, and other settings you may have modified or changed over a set period of time that you've been using Microsoft Edge, well, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that or go about resetting your Microsoft Edge settings. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And all you have to do is open up the Edge web browser if it's not already open. And you want to select the menu icon up at the top right corner. It should be indicated by three dots all next to each other. Go ahead and left click on that and then go down and select settings. On the left side, you want to select reset settings. And then underneath reset settings, restore settings to their default values. Go ahead and left click on that. So this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also turn off all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favorites, history, and saved passwords will not be cleared. Go ahead and select reset. And then you should close out of here and then relaunch your browser. And now if you want to clear those other items, you can go ahead and select the menu icon up at the top right, go down and select settings and search settings, type in clear. And on the right side, it should say clear browsing data. Select choose what to clear, select the time range of all time, and then make sure everything is selected in here, including passwords if you want to delete browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, passwords, cache images and files, and so forth. And then once you're done with that, if you want to just check mark all of them here, if you just want to completely clear all this out, select clear now. And that's all you have to do, guys. So pretty straightforward process. Again, with just closing out of here and then relaunch Edge. And that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.